Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to redeem Roblox gift card on mobile. Firstly, open your mobile web browser and go to roblox.com. Tap continue in the browser to access Roblox's main menu. Enter your Roblox username and password to log in. If not automatically redirected to your account's homepage, tap continue in the browser again. Scroll down to the bottom of the homepage and tap on gift cards. On the gift cards page, tap redeem located at the top of the page and enter the gift card code in the empty field. Tap redeem to apply the card. Now you'll see a success message. Once the code is successfully redeemed, just tap use credit to spend immediately or exit to save your balance for later. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more.